Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll look at the power of Jetpack Compose to make a circular shape image. Let me start by creating a compose function here, and I'll name it circular image. Additionally, I'll create a preview function that shows my exact composable design. So I'll write preview function here and name it preview circular image. Then I'll need to call the corresponding composable function in this preview function, which is this one. So I'll call my composable function here, which is circular image, and our preview composable function is done now. It's time to create a column here. So I'll create a column first, which is also a composable function, and then declare a modifier parameter to fill out the screen size. So I'll declare the modifier parameter and the fill max size function to fill out the max size of our screen. I now need my content to be centered vertically and horizontally. So I need to use horizontal alignment and vertical arrangement. Now I will use image composable function to get the image from our drawable folder, which is here. I have already imported my image here in this drawable folder, so I will use this one. I need to use image composable and make sure to get the painter one. You and now type painter resource, type r.drawable dot and get your picture from your drawable folder. You need to pass a string for this content description. I'll pass a string for this one. And now we need to click on build and refresh to see our exact composable design. I'll click on build and refresh and wait for the Gradle build finish. So you can see our Gradle is already building here and rendering the preview. You can see that we got our image, but we don't see any background here. For this, we need to type in this preview composable function, which is show background, and it takes a boolean, so we need to pass true. And if you run this again, so we can see Android Studio automatically detects the background here, and we can get a background. Now you might wonder how we can circularly show our image, because we can see this image is in square shape, not in circular shape. So for this, we need to take a card. Card is also a composable function. I will cover all this topic in my next YouTube tutorial. So make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video. Now I will move this composable function inside my card composable function. So take this image function and paste it here. Now some more steps to complete this tutorial. Inside this parentheses, I will define a shape parameter. Now shape, and make this shape circle shape, and we need to pass a border stroke to get a stroke for this image. So I will pass border parameter and border stroke. As you can see, this parameter takes a width and a color. And now if you run our app in this composable function, which is build and refresh, and then we'll see we got a circular shape image. As you can see, we got our circular shape image, and which is absolutely colorful. You can change the color of this border. I will choose blue, and now run this again. You can see we got our blue border. You can also change the border stroke from here. I will pass 10. You can see we got 10 dp of border stroke. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.